Welcome to the Innovative Surface Solutions Knowledge Nugget of the Week. Bite-sized facts about de-icing and dust control. Innovative Surface Solutions, celebrating 35 years of keeping you safe from highways to driveways. Treated salt is rock salt that has liquid de-icer present. The most common method for creating treated salt is stockpile treatment. You can also treat salt via an onboard pre-wetting system. There are two types of treated salt, type 1 and type 2. Understanding the difference between these two is paramount in choosing the product that best fits your needs. Let's take a closer look at the difference in the liquids. A type 1 liquid has one active ingredient, a chloride, either magnesium or calcium chloride. The liquid helps the salt work faster and provides an increased melting ability. Ideally, type 1 liquids should only be used with onboard pre-wetting systems. Stockpile treatment with a type 1 liquid does not allow the optimal application rate due to the lack of a tackifier. Type 2 liquids have two active ingredients, a chloride and sugar. Refined sugars are always the best because they provide a consistent product and consistent results. Unrefined sugars increase the probability for varied results. The refined sugar combined with magnesium chloride has a synergistic effect that allows the liquid to have a very low freeze point. It also helps to resist refreeze, allowing more time for snow removal from the surface. The tackier nature of a type 2 liquid allows for optimal application rates, resulting in increased performance. The type 2 liquids also help reduce the corrosion of the salt. These are just a few of the benefits of type 2 liquids. Not all treated salt is created equal. Knowing the liquids on your rock salt is the first step in understanding how to incorporate this tool into your winter maintenance plan. As always, quality and knowledge in product choices can make all the difference. To better understand the differences between type 1 and type 2 treated salt, go to our website at www.innovativecompany.com. Thank you for watching. If you'd like to learn more, please reach out to us at www.innovativecompany.com. While you're there, don't forget to sign up for a reminder on the next Knowledge Nugget of the Week.